central Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beloit, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, South Beloit, Clinton, Tiffany, Johnstown Center, Foxholder, Avalon, Shopier, Afton, and Emerald Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Damn. Alright,